Dreading social gatherings? Don't sweat it. Turn those awkward silences into sparkling conversations with these first impression hacks. First impressions happen in a flash. Number 1, be approachable. Keep your body language open with uncrossed arms and relaxed shoulders. Make eye contact and smile warmly. It shows confidence and makes you seem friendly. Bonus tip, ditch the negativity. Nobody wants to chat with someone who seems to be radiating a dark cloud. Project a positive attitude. People are drawn to others who are upbeat and fun to be around. Number 2, become a conversation ninja. Skip the boring "what do you do?" People get that a lot, and it can feel impersonal. Ask interesting, open-ended questions about their hobbies, interests, or even the event itself. For example, instead of "what do you do for work?" try "what initially drew you to this field?" Find common ground to connect and make the conversation flow naturally. Remember, listening is key. Pay attention to what they're saying, ask follow-up questions to show you're engaged, and avoid interrupting. Let them know you're genuinely interested in getting to know them. Don't be a wallflower glued to the corner. Number 3, mingle like a social butterfly. Move around the event, strike up conversations with different people, and introduce people who might have things in common. It shows you're outgoing and helps expand your network. But remember, balance is key. Don't monopolize conversations or become clingy to one person. Give people space to mingle too, and excuse yourself politely if you see someone you'd like to meet. Be yourself, but with a confidence boost. Number 4, you are social gold. Don't try to be someone you're not. People appreciate genuineness. Stand tall with good posture, speak clearly, and project your voice. Show your enthusiasm for being there. Infuse your personality by sharing stories, humor, or your unique perspective. Let your inner light shine. Number 5, show genuine interest. People love to talk about themselves, so listen actively and ask follow-up questions to show you're engaged. Make an effort to remember names. It creates a positive connection and shows you care. A simple "it was so nice meeting you, Gary" at the end goes a long way. Now you have the tools to shine in any social setting. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you put yourself out there, the easier it gets. Bonus tip. Unlock the compliment power. A sincere compliment can brighten someone's day and build instant rapport. Notice something you genuinely like about their outfit, hairstyle, or a skill they mentioned. For example, "that scarf is a beautiful color. It really complements your eyes." Key point, keep it genuine and specific. Fake flattery can backfire. Want more tips on conquering social situations? Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content.